Hello to all my gorgeous people out there. It's Amina over here, and today I have come up with something really exciting. And I had seen this in Nikki Tutorial's channel as well as Malvika Sitlani's channel, and I really wanted to do it. So here I am. So if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is down in the description box below. And so what I did was I put up a poll on Instagram and I asked my followers to tell me what would they like to see between two options. So in Instagram you have an option in your story for polls, and I put up a poll over there. It was quite interesting. I had asked so many questions and people replied to it. So these are all the answers I have over here. And so I'm going to put on my face whatever you guys have chosen for me. So if you want to know what were the final results and what all I'm going to apply and how this look has been created, please do stay tuned and continue watching. Guys, the options for moisturizer, I had given Urban Botanics and Mama Earth moisturizer, and Mama Earth clearly won. And so I'm using the Mama Earth apple cider vinegar moisturizer. This is a very lightweight moisturizer. It can be very greasy for people who have oily skin, but I am a combination skin, so I don't mind it. So for primers, I had given an option between Lakme Blur Perfect and Insight 3-in-1 primer, and clearly Lakme has won by 73%. A huge difference. Lakme is an absolutely amazing brand. So I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect, my makeup primer. This I've been using. If you have been part of my journey, I have been using this since forever. This is one of the best drugstore primers, so I'm using that. Options that I had given for foundation was Maybelline Superstay and Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish Foundation, and Maybelline has won. This is the final count. I had never preferred the Fit Me foundation because I like a full coverage foundation, so I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay in the shade 312 Golden, and this is almost over, you can see. I just love this foundation. It's just a fabulous one. Look at that. And for concealer, I had given an option between Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and LA Girl Concealer, and clearly again Maybelline has won. But this was a close one, 49 and 51. But LA Girl Concealer is also fabulous, but again I love Fit Me one because the coverage is beautiful, the finish is beautiful, so I prefer that. And I feel that LA Girl Pro Conceal is fabulous, but you need to keep on layering it. I don't understand the hype because everyone is like, oh my god, that's a fabulous concealer. I feel it is a fabulous concealer only for people who have very light dark circles. For people who have heavy dark circles like I do, it's not heavy, but it is visibly seen off camera if you see face to face. So my dark circles are there, and for the dark circles that I have, it requires a heavy duty for concealer. Everyone says it's a light concealer, but it just needs one coat to cover everything. But as of LA Girl Pro Conceal, I need 2 coats at least to like go on top and again like cover my dark circles. I'm gonna go ahead with Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 40 Caramel, and I'm gonna apply that. Yes, I brought you people a little closer. The coverage, guys, it's phenomenal, I tell you. Next, I had given an option for loose powder, that between Maybelline Fit Me powder and the Clammy Naked 9 loose powder, and clearly Maybelline all the way. It has won by 83%. everyone is a Maybelline fan. Tell me who doesn't love Maybelline. So this is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Medium ON, and I'm gonna use that today. So guys, I had to quickly go off camera and do my eyebrows because I hadn't asked for eyebrows, and right now I just have two eyebrow pencils, which of one had got over due to lockdown. I cannot even go outside and shop. It's absolutely not safe. The next thing that I had asked you guys is for eyeshadows, and for eyeshadows I had given you people an option between Swiss Beauty HD eyeshadow palette or Wet n Wild Quartz, and Wet n Wild Quartz won by 62%. And that's a beautiful beginner friendly palette, and I really love it. This Wet n Wild Quartz, there are like so many shades this comes in, and this is so small, it's like the size of my palm. Anyone who are starting their makeup career, start off with these palettes. They come in like 7 shades, and they are pigmented and they're really good. So I would highly recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye look. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this shade right over here and put it on all over my lid. So after I applied that, I'm gonna go ahead with this shade and apply it above on my crease. I know it's written transition and crease, but I'm gonna apply it where I want. So I'm gonna take this shade over here, and I'm just gonna apply from outer corner to my inner corner. Can you see how pigmented this is? This is insane, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just buff everything into place. So I'm gonna go ahead with this shade and finish my lower lash line. This palette, it's stunning. So I'm gonna complete the other eye and be right back. So we are done with the eyes now. Next, I had asked for mascara, and for mascara I had given an option between L'Oreal Paris Million Lash Mascara and Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And I tell you, everyone loves Maybelline. Maybelline has won by 63%, and this is the rating right here. It's insane. Even I love Maybelline. I love Maybelline. So I'm gonna take the Lash Sensational. And this is waterproof in a washable variant also. You choose whatever you want, but this again is a fabulous mascara. Now that my mascara is done, I'm gonna go ahead with kajal. For kajal, I had given 2 options. One is the Faces Canada Black Kajal, and one is the Lakme Turquoise Kajal, and people have clearly selected turquoise. 67% Lakme has won. I'm gonna apply turquoise kajal on top of this eye look. I'm clearly dreading putting turquoise kajal on this eye look, but now that my people have told, let's go ahead. So I'm taking this kajal in the shade turquoise. See the color? This is the color. Let's do this. This actually looks good. I'm gonna come close. Oh my god. This actually looks so good. This is what happens, guys, when you experiment with life. It actually is good. I like it. It looks really good. So the next thing is I asked you guys to select blush between Nicka K blush and Deborah Milano blush. So you guys have clearly selected Deborah Milano. My blush is apparently a little bit broken, but Deborah Milano blush in the shade Cherry, it's broken, but no worries, we shall wear it. I had actually fixed it and kept it, and it dried and it looked beautiful. My cat dropped it again and broke it. It's alright, you know, you can't do anything about it. So I'm gonna like put the blush. So my blush is done, and next option I had given you people is to choose between Revolution Pro Illuminate or LA Colors a highlighter, and people clearly love Revolution because it has won by 74%. So I'm gonna take the Revolution Pro Illuminate. Last thing I had given you people an option is between lipsticks. I had given you option between Wet n Wild Catsuit Mega Last lipstick in the shade Berry Recognize and Maybelline Bold lipsticks range Midnight Date. And you people clearly, again, I have clearly known, no, you people love Maybelline, and it has won by 77%. This is the results. It's insane. So I'm gonna take Midnight Date. It's in the bold range. Their lipsticks in the bold categories are phenomenal. I love them, and this is one of it, and the shade is so beautiful. I love a good bold lip. It just calls my name, okay? I just love it. This color is stunning. So I'm gonna go right ahead and finish my entire look and be right back. So this is my completed look, guys. I really enjoyed this. This is a very wearable look to any function or any party, and to your Zoom parties. So I really liked and enjoyed doing this. It is a very simple yet a very good look, and I love the pop of turquoise that it just gave, and it looks absolutely stunning, I feel. And so I'm so happy that you people took part and you know, helped me create this look. And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, be a member of my family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.